Hey, what's up everyone? If you have a seatbelt that's missing this little button, these can rip off and they can get stuck in the door and get broken or just ripped off for whatever reason, and then your belt little metal tab is flying around everywhere. You can replace it. Here's one I got. I got this from Toyota, and here's the part number. This is kind of like a generic one. I forget what it's for, what model and year, but it's like $3. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it. This one is good, but my driver's side doesn't have one. So what's important is you know where the old one was. This one was marked with this white clip. There's a little hole there. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna be putting it right through there. And yeah, so some dealers told me I had to get the whole seatbelt just to get this, and I'm working on a Nissan, but I went to Toyota because I know Toyota sells these separately. You can probably get these online. Anyways, just do a little searching and you'll be able to get one. Alright, so I'm going to take this spike, I'm going to stick it right through here. Once it's like that, I'm going to take the back side of this, oops, and I'm going to push it onto here like that, and then push it together. Yeah. So when you're holding it together on here, I took some pliers and gently squashed both sides together. Not too hard because it'll crack the little button, but it smushes the little pin part and makes it like a little mold to hold it all together. Anyways guys, that's it for now for this video. Hopefully this helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.